Don't let go of the rope. Will, what you got? Is that a balloon? Can you say balloon?
Oh no!
Now what? Get it! Can you get it? What? Help, please. What you want? Okay, I am going to take a risk. Oh, good Lord. Well, you want Mimi to help you? Okay, hold on.